सो हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू अवर नई वीडियो। यहाँ पे हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं एफटीपी सर्वर की सेटअप के बारे में। हम कैसे एक एफटीपी सर्वर को सेटअप कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। सो एफटीपी सर्वर को सेटअप करने के लिए बेसिकली हमारे पास एक एफटीपी सर्वर का पैकेज होना चाहिए जो हम एफटीपी सर्वर पे इंस्टॉल करेंगे। सो हमारे पैकेज का नाम है VSFTPD, ठीक है। तो हमने पिछले वीडियो में डिस्कस कर लिया था एफटीपी क्या होता है और एफटीपी के थ्रू हम क्लाइंट और सर्वर के बीच में कैसे फाइल ट्रांसफ़र करते हैं, ठीक है। सो इस वीडियो में चलते हैं हम कॉन्फ़िगरेशन की तरफ। सो हम अपने सर्वर मशीन पे लॉगिन हो चुके हैं। सो सबसे पहले आपका काम है कि अपने इंटरनेट से कनेक्टिविटी चेक करना, क्योंकि हम एफटीपी सर्वर का पैकेज आरएचएल की वेबसाइट से ही डाउनलोड करने वाले हैं। इसका जो है सब्सक्रिप्शन मैनेजर का यूज़ करेंगे। सो इसके लिए कमांड yum install VSFTPD, ओके। इस ट्रिक के साथ हम इंस्टॉल करेंगे। सो हमें सर्वर पे पैकेज की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है VSFTP DP और जो है क्लाइंट पे सिंपल हम FTP इंस्टॉल करेंगे। yum install FTP in client side. So we are going to be installed our packages with this command. This is very necessary for us for having the packages, okay. So for this you have to already registered yum repository. So we will see that here our package is ready to install. So you can just install with y, okay. So we type again and again y. It is represented, yes, it is a very similar way to install the packages. So we are moving to the client तरफ चलता है, ठीक। तो आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे FTP का पैकेट जो है रेडी है इंस्टॉल्ड होने के लिए। सो हमने दोनों मशीन पे जो है पैकेजेस इंस्टॉल कर लिए हैं। हमें सिंपल जो है सर्वर की तरफ जाके हमें सर्विस स्टार्ट करनी है। सिस्टम CTL इनेबल VSFTPD -, नाउ, ओके। सो हमने सर्वर के पैकेज को स्टार्ट और इनेबल दोनों कर लिया है एक ही कमांड के थ्रू। अब हमें फायरवॉल से सर्विस को जो है पास कराना, इट इज़ वेरी नेसेसरी। सो हम लोग फायरवॉल के थ्रू अपनी सर्विस को पास करा लेते हैं। तो ऐड सर्विस, ठीक है। तो टीपी की सर्विस में पास करानी -, परमानेंट -, जोन इज इक्वल टू पब्लिक, okay. So after add the service in firewall, we are reload the firewall. It is very necessary because it is very mandatory to reload firewall because it updated the firewall policies, okay. So then reload, okay. So we good to go for reloading the firewall. Then here it is very similar. So for this we have to go in setting. So configuration file, so it is existing in etc VSFTPD and VSFTP .conf, okay. So here if you want to unreveal your identity, you just log in as an anonymous user. So you are here, you can enter yes, then you can save the information as it is. So then after you can restart your service. For that restart, okay. So we have to log in anonymous user in our client machine. For that you can just type FTP, then IP address of server, okay, 75.15 array, okay. So you good to go for login anonymous user. Enter the, and you can enter any type of password. You just log in anonymous. then we can check the ls. Okay, so in server side, it is a by default directory that is pub existing in location, that is here. Okay, so I'm going to share what is the location where pub directories exist. So ls where ftp and pub. Here in this location, pub directories existed. Here we can create any file for verify. You can check here. There is no file. We can run the ls command. Sorry, cd ub pub and ls. There is no file here. Okay. Then after we are running, we are creating any file or directory something in this pub directory. So for this touch command, okay, you can create aksh akash. Okay, akash file. Here we can check it with ls command. So akash file is existed. Okay, so with that you can get data from that. Like you want to akash file in your local machine, so you can run this command and type akash akash. So file is transferred. Okay, without login your user and password, without your credential. If you want to log in your local user, so it is also very easy. You just type here in by. Okay, then you can enter ftp and the password, and I'm going to log in my home directory exist in VSFTP server. Okay, so just I am giving my password. Here I am logging with my in FTP server. In it is my home directory basically. I'm here. It is not okay. So I think okay. So for this, we are here login with Akash user. So simply we switch the user as Akash. Okay, Akash, and we are good to go to share. There is the information visible in client machine. It is the seamless directories and by default directory present here. So I'm going to create a new directory in this mkdir, and it's my name, that is Akash. Okay, so here you can see it is a Akash directory existing in this location. For this you can just type ls command, and you can also see the directory. It is existed as a name Akash. Okay, so for this you want to get a data from inside the Akash. Okay, so I'm going to create a new data in this. So touch. Okay, uh, sorry, Akash. In this I'm going to create a file as a file one. So for this you can see inside I'm going to enter in Akash directory. So, okay, Akash. So I am successfully enter in this, and if you are uh, see with ls, so file one is existed. So if you want to get this file and download this one, for this you can simply run and command, that is get and file one. So you can download very easily. You can see in your local client machine with I'm going to type by, and you can see here file one and Akash downloaded from FTP server. So that is a FTP server.